So you think your script was stolen and produced. Is there anything you can do about it? Hi, I'm James Pacitti, entertainment attorney in Los Angeles. In the last video, I talked about implied-in-fact contract claims in a situation where a creative believes their idea was stolen. Another type of claim that can emanate from idea theft, and more specifically from a theft of a script or perhaps a treatment, is copyright infringement claims. Now, implied-in-fact contract claims and copyright infringement claims have some similarities. They both require proof of access, and they both require substantial similarity. However, copyright infringement claims have some pros and cons to them. One of the cons is the level of substantial similarity required to be proven. It has both an objective and a subjective analysis. The objective analysis can require analytical dissection of the work and expert testimony, and the subjective analysis requires that from the perspective of a reasonable person, do these two works seem very similar? Now, there's also some pros to a copyright infringement claim versus an implied-in-fact contract claim, and that generally has to do with damages. A copyright infringement claim, it must be based upon, unless it's common law copyright, but it should be based upon a registered work, and you should always register your scripts before you submit them to anybody. So if you have registered your script with the U.S. Copyright Office, you can be entitled to actual and statutory damages, which can be very significant. You also can be entitled to recover attorney's fees and costs, which of course can be very substantial. However, there is a possible downside to that pro as well, because the other party, if they prevail in the breach of the copyright infringement claim, they can recover their attorney's fees and costs too, which can be enormous amounts of money and can bankrupt the plaintiff. So it's very important to consider that before proceeding with the copyright infringement claim. And generally speaking, these are very difficult to prove. In California, the track record of the studios is essentially undefeated in these claims. But if you have a copyright infringement claim, or if you have any other matter you wish to discuss with us, please do not hesitate to contact us.